Dear friends, we are going to see the pencil sketch of swan. This is specially for kids and those interested in learning sketching. So I'm illustrating how do we start sketching. Look at the oval that I'm making. This is for the body of the swan. Then this oval for the head, and there is a nice neck connecting both. So look at their size and their positions. So try to make such ovals. The beautiful neck with S bend, so connecting the head and the body. Beak line. The neck is thicker when it connects to the body. It's thin from the head. So another gentle S curve. So when we make these two, the larger part of the swan is done. The gentle beaks, the upper part is little thicker and lower part is little small. There is a shade comes between these beaks and eyes. So that's all about it. So do it carefully. Now I'm making another sketch. This time I'm making very light. The swan is going to be very white, and background we are going to give nice shade so that this white swan can be seen very well. And the same thing I did. Oval for the body and oval for the head, connected with the neck, defining the beaks now. So if it is a little faster, you can pause the video and see it. So only this portion is going to be darker. So I'm adding some shade. So the basic plan is ready. Now I'm making the outline darker. So mark the position of the wings, how far the wings are spread and the shape. Once you mark the end point, then you can connect them with these gentle curves. Note the direction of curves. So the other wing goes behind the head. So this is the shape of that other wing. So the little one is next to the mom. There is a small oval and there is a circle for the head. So that's all about the little one. You can see the legs a bit. Okay, now we are adding all the feathers. I'm not making very dark here because it's going to be, the swan color is white color. So the background we need to make it darker. So now defining the feathers. So the straight line and a curve at the end. Such beautiful feathers you can make easily. And adding depth for the first layer of feathers and second layer also. So you need to do with good patience and allocate enough time. Do it slowly. So you'll get the nice results for sure. This is the little tail for the big swan. Drawing the ripples for the water. Later I'm going to make it dark. but I'm just trying to feel the water and making the ripples. Planning for the bushes. Some bushes around that little one. The little one is safer there. So I'm not sure what is the conversation between them. I'm not sure if birds or animals talk as human, but too much of talk is not needed. And they lead a very peaceful and happy life. So that thing we need to learn from them. Okay, so define the feathers of the other wing. Mark the areas where we need to give shade, gentle shade. So keep doing it. Observe the video and keep doing it. So all the best. So I would make the background more darker. Then after making darker with the pencil, then I use a thing called stub, which is available in the art supply stores. The stub is made of paper only, so you can use the tissue paper also, but stub is little stronger, so you can use stub. Using that, I blend the background for the uniform thing, so get nice results. So right now I'm making some curvy lines for the body. So enjoy watching the rest of the video. I take art classes also. I sell my paintings also. So if you're interested, you can contact me. For kids, I take a series of courses, Joy of Art. For seniors also, I take a basic drawing course, then advanced figure drawing, then watercolor course. So you can check my site cuckooo.in. That has all the details of all the classes. Okay, enjoy sketching. So if possible, share with me for the comments, for the improvements and feedback. Bye for now.